Alright guys, we are here at the Oceaneer Club where the kids gonna be spending some of their time over the next 3 days. And the first step's in, but before we get in, let's get our hands washed. And look at this cool hand wash. Alright, so you just put your hands in there. It does everything for you. How amazing is that? Who's excited?
Me!
Ooh, who's more excited?
Me!
Ooh, Mommy's excited too. Look at those bathrooms and more of those awesome hand washers. Even the toilets are miniature kid size. We got the Star Wars cargo bay. That's a snail, he says. Wow, you guys, this is incredible. All right, here we are coming up on the Superhero Academy.
There's actual Spider-Man.
Actual Spider, oh my gosh, it is the actual Spider-Man. Whoa!
Oh, dude, you trying to become a superhero?
All right, that's awesome. Thank you.
I don't know if he like presses a button or does something cool and it just phew, appears on his body. It's so awesome. Phew.
Thanks, Spider-Man.
Sir.
Appreciate it. Thank you. I wish I could be young again. This looks awesome.
I'm not gonna lie, this is amazing.
Disney Imagineering Lab. Kate and Jackson found themselves on Connect 4. And Jay loses. Oh, I was wrong. I shouldn't have said anything. Kate, you almost. All right, good job, Kate. You won. And Minnie's captain's deck. Jackson found himself a piloting job, but he's piloting a ship instead of a plane. And Kate is taking care of the horns. Can you play When You Wish Upon a Star, Kate? When you wish upon a star. That's really good, Kate. Good job.